Imagine driving over 370,000 miles in a Tesla Model 3. That is more than a lifetime commute for most drivers, and barely needing any major repairs. That's exactly what one Italian taxi driver, Marco, has done. Today we're diving into his story and why this Tesla is outperforming expectations. Marco has owned his Tesla Model 3 for 6.5 years, covering over 370,000 miles as a working taxi in Italy. And here's the kicker: he has never had to replace the motor, the battery, or even the brake pads. Over all that time, he spent only about $3,900 on repairs. Marco told a Tesla owner's Facebook group in Italy, "I don't even think about charging cars. My Model 3 is fantastic." And it's not hard to see why. Thanks to regenerative braking, his brake pads have hardly worn at all, even with all the stop-and-go city driving. While Marco's Tesla has needed very few replacements, he has swapped out the exhaust shaft and the battery cooling pump. Tires, however, have been a recurring expense. He replaces them every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, which cost him over $10,000 in total. Interestingly, Marco isn't strict about charging habits. He often fast charges to 90 to 100%, yet the car continues to perform reliably day in and day out. This shows just how robust Tesla's engineering can be, even under real-world taxi conditions. Tesla has had its share of quality issues. For instance, a recent inspection of Germany's 2 found that only 81.6% of Tesla Model 3 passed the first inspection without faults. But Marco's story proves that these statistics don't tell the full picture. Some Teslas can be incredibly reliable even after tens of thousands of miles in hard daily use. There are other remarkable Tesla milestones too. A German owner drove his Tesla Model S over 143,000 miles, though he did have to replace the battery 4 times. Still, it shows that Tesla cars can be capable of very high mileage, sometimes exceeding traditional expectations. So what can we learn from Marco's experience? 1. Regenerative braking is a game changer. It preserves your brake pads for tens of thousands of miles. Routine maintenance is minimal. Motor and battery replacements may be unnecessary for many years. Tire care matters. Even Teslas with regenerative braking will need frequent tire replacements if driven hard. Charging habits can be flexible. Tesla batteries can handle a wide range of charging routines and still maintain performance. Marco's story is a testament to the durability of electric vehicles when used responsibly, even in heavy-duty commercial operations. So, would you trust a Tesla to go 370,000 miles without major repairs? Or do you think long-term maintenance will always be an issue for electric cars? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's reliability, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more stories about EVs, performance, and automotive breakthroughs.